Noble 1, this is Noble Actual. Noble 1, go ahead. We need that base taken out, son. What's your status? Still outside. Thermal on the interior shows standing room only. We're gonna have to thin them out or we'll be way too popular. Copy that, Noble 1. Holland out. We got a job to do, so let's stay focused and get it done. 6, are you in position?
Affirmative.
Good. Execute.
Covenant own this sector now, but they're defending for a major strike, not a small group infiltration. Eliminate all hostile ground-to-air defenses so the rest of Noble can land at Sword Base with a torch and burn. Keep a low profile. We'll take them by surprise. This will be a hell of a lot easier.
Spartan, we'll follow you.
Does seem like overkill. Sending us back here for a simple demo op.
Only thinks it's worth it. Want to tell you something?
It tells me things ain't so simple.
Might be a Scorpion that's still operational, 6. Take a look.
Affirmative. Clear.
Get that! Go stop me! Go down!
Time to go to work, Noble 6. Take out those guns. Get a move on, Noble 6. Our Falcons are standing by. First target neutralized. Falcon, stand by. Nice job, 6. Falcons, commence descent. Meet you inside the base, Lieutenant.
Clear.
Falcon group has landed. Hostiles engaged. Units working on getting the gate open.
Really missing Cat right about now.
We're clear. secure. We're clear.
On your toes, Chris! You got incoming! Taking Revenant fire!
Clear.
Turret fire!
Good. Gates open, boss. 6, get over here. Cubbies all over the base.
We're clear.
Tango! Coming from the pad. And the garage. Double time at 6, come on.
Need to do fire. Hostile fire on my position. You stand a chance. Frag out! Tangos are going down! Damn it, I lost my time here. We're alone again. Where are we going now, boss?
Dot.
Please proceed to the pre-arranged coordinates.
Cryptic.
You know as much as I do, Level 4. Coordinates nearby, Commander.
We're close. Up the ramp and to the right.
I'm under fire! That's fun! I've got this! Your shadow.
This is it. In here.
Looks like they got themselves cornered.
Or we're committed to the position.
I'm going with cornered. There's nothing here.
No load-bearing columns either. Sir, if we're supposed to blow this place, this ain't the spot to do it from.
Dot, check your vector.
Vector confirmed, Commander. We are precisely where Oni has directed. Apologies. Coordinates revised. Please confirm?
Revised?
By an AI of unknown origin, whose clearance is well above my own.
Well, it's pointing us a click and a half east and 2,000 feet underground.
I didn't bring my shovel, Commander.
Sir, I say we go AI free on this one. Obviously, these coordinates are junk, and the longer we go chasing.
What is this, Dot?
Our revised route, Commander.
All right, we came this far. Your new AI friend tell you anything else, Dot? Dot.
She's been expecting you.
That's perfect.
Apologies for the unusual security measures, Commander, but the stakes demand it.
Dr. Halsey. Casualty reports have you listed as...
Yes, well, as they say, news of my death has been greatly exaggerated. I only wish the same could be said of the rest of Noble Team.
We all do, ma'am.
It may please you to learn that the data module Noble 2 procured from Visegrad Station contained precisely what my scientist promised. A latchkey discovery. It has unlocked, at last, the secrets of this excavation.
Not sure I understand.
Your orders were a pretext to bring you to me, and have been overridden. You are here, Team Noble, to ensure the delivery of this vital data to a secure location.
Doctor, our orders are to destroy all sensitive material.
Others will handle the demolition.
I'll need to confirm this new directive with command.
Colonel Holland will be briefed. You belong to Oni now. Before you is an alien artifact neither human nor Covenant in origin, advanced beyond our comprehension, until now. Thanks to Noble 2, the decrypting of its data is nearly complete.
Whatever we're doing down here, we better do it quick.
Have your data ready, ma'am. We're coming to you.
The decrypting process is still underway.
I don't think you understand. We're out of time. If it isn't portable when we reach you, it's gonna get buried.
Bury any of it, and you bury mankind's best chance for survival. Commander, you've been wondering what your Spartans died for? They died for this. Please, buy me all the time you can.
Let's find Halsey's lab. Move.
Commander, I'm seeing turrets already in defensive positions.
Only was expecting company.
You sure as hell got it. Doctor, we have hostiles inbound.
Spartans, you cannot allow the Covenant to break through the door to my lab.
Understood. Let's give the doctor the time she needs.
Noble Team, there are 4 defense turrets to assist you in defending the lab. Get them online, and quick. When the turrets take too much damage, they'll shut down to recharge. You'll need to reactivate them when they come back online.
Noble 6, activate the turret to set up a perimeter.
More time. Whatever you have to do, do it.
Turret shutting down.
Watch out for the rain!
Turret recharging.
Taking enemy hard. Get out of here! Die, you bastard! Wounded! Eyes open!
Turret offline.
Hold on, Spartans. I'm getting close.
Another Phantom dropping troops to flank us. Maybe we can grab a Banshee and bring the fight to them.
Turret shutting down.
More contacts. Reposition. Taking fire.
More Jacobs just showed up. Heavy fire in my position. Put him down. Fight! Line starts here, you fat bastard. Ah! Ghost tracks into our position. heroes! Covering fire! Taking enemy fire!
Sent en masse.
Well done!
The package is almost ready. Just a little more.
Get out of there! Open fire! Hostiles heard! I've got this! Put it cover!
Get your defenses ready, 6.
Well done, Spartans. I'm opening the laboratory door.
What is this stuff?
Knowledge. A birthright from an ancient civilization. This AI is its custodian, and she has chosen you as her couriers.
Chosen? By an AI?
By this AI, yes. Her measure of you carries as much weight as my own, perhaps more. You are to take her to the UNSC shipbreaking yard in Azad. There, you'll find a Halcyon-class cruiser waiting to get her off-planet.
I understand.
Do you? Mankind is outmatched. When Reach falls, and it will fall, our annihilation is all but certain. Unless we can glean from this artifact a defense against the Covenant. A game-changer. On the level of the conical bullet in the 19th century, or faster-than-light travel in the 23rd.
And what if we can't?
An apt question, if there were somewhere else to place our hope. There is not. Take it, Lieutenant. She has made her choice. Do you have it?
Yes,
Say the words, please.
I have it. Dr. Halsey, Noble 3 will escort you to Castle Base.
I require no escort, Commander.
June, make sure nothing falls into enemy hands.
I'll do what's necessary, sir. Good luck.
You too, Rifleman. I need a heading dot.
At 3 kilometers north, turn right, heading 050.
Which leads to?
The shipbreaking yards in Azod, the only off-planet extraction point left on this continent. Small-scale air attacks have decimated many convoys en route. An armada of Covenant cruisers is hastening to the site as well. UNSC cruiser Pillar of Autumn is awaiting your arrival.
Wouldn't be a Noble mission if it were easy.